A trading strategy that executes 24 hours a day, 5 days a week, operates with a level of precision immune to human emotion or fatigue. This session covers the process of writing, compiling, and backtesting a functional moving average crossover bot in MetaTrader 5, completing the core build in under 6 minutes. To follow the build, you will need a MetaTrader 5 terminal and an active demo account. For optimal execution speed during the testing phase, I use an FXNX NX1 demo account. Transitioning to an automated system removes the hesitation often found in manual trading. It ensures your entry and exit rules are executed with mathematical discipline, regardless of market volatility. First, launch the coding environment by pressing F4 within MetaTrader 5. This opens MetaEditor. From here, click New to generate the standard Expert Advisor template. Your bot relies on 3 structural pillars. OnInit handles the initial setup, OnTick manages the main execution loop, and OnDinit performs the final cleanup. The OnTick function is the engine. It triggers the bot's trading logic every single time a new price quote arrives. Mastering this event-driven structure shifts your focus from manual screen monitoring to building systems that react to market data the millisecond it is received. To define the crossover, we start by configuring the fast and slow moving average parameters using the native MQL5 IMA functions. We then use the copy buffer function to pull the indicator's historical values into a temporary array, essentially a list of numbers the bot can read in sequence. Each moving average on your chart corresponds to a specific sequence of numerical values mapped to historical candles. Converting these visual indicators into raw numerical arrays allows the bot to assess market conditions significantly faster than human visual observation. We detect the crossover by writing a conditional statement that checks if the fast-moving average is mathematically greater than the slow-moving average. We reference the closed data from the previous candlestick, designated as Index 1, because the active candle at Index 0 fluctuates as price moves. Referencing Index 1 ensures the crossover is permanently fixed, providing a confirmed signal that cannot change. This strict data referencing prevents the bot from reacting to market noise, ensuring trades only occur on definitive technical triggers. Once the crossover is confirmed, the bot must communicate with the broker's server. This requires filling out a trade request structure, a mandatory checklist for opening any position. The request must define the target symbol, the lot size, the order direction, and the exact entry price. The order send command dispatches this completed structure to the market, where it is either filled or rejected by the server. Using this structured request system removes ambiguity, guaranteeing every trade executes according to your predefined constraints. Before sending the request, you must include stop loss and take profit variables. These parameters are the primary defense for your capital against unexpected volatility. You also need to assign a magic number, a unique numerical ID for every order this specific bot generates. The magic number identifies the bot's specific orders, allowing the automated system to manage its own positions without interfering with any trades you open manually. Rejections can still occur if the requested stop loss or take profit price is set too close to the current market spread. When an order fails, the reason is logged in the terminal's Journal tab. Checking this return code allows you to identify if the error was due to pricing, connectivity, or insufficient margin. An expert advisor equipped with hard-coded risk parameters and error tracking functions as a disciplined, heavily guarded asset. With the code complete, click Compile in MetaEditor. Ensure the Errors tab confirms the syntax is correct and the executable file has been created. Open the strategy tester by pressing Ctrl-R. This allows you to run your bot against years of historical market data to observe how it handles various market conditions. In the visual tester, you can watch the bot independently identify crossovers, open positions, and manage the risk levels on the chart in real time. The final backtest report provides a detailed breakdown of the strategy's historical performance and the resulting equity curve. A successful backtest confirms the logic executes as intended across historical data. The final step is to move to a live, low-spread demo environment. Download the FXNX platform to begin testing your automation in real-time market conditions.